Hi everyone, welcome back to Learning Coding, and I'm Clara, and I will show you today the first steps in Scratch.mit.edu. So let's go. I'll share my screen now, and I'll go on my browser, open your browser, and type in Scratch.mit.edu, press enter, and you're coming to this site, click on create, and then welcome to the Scratch editor. Today I am gonna show you how the motion category works. So I won't do designing with sprites, no. So how do you start a project? Go to the events category, and first of all you need to, when the flag is clicked, because the flag will start the project. Go to the motion category, and there's this block, move 10 steps, and we can check this out, and it's moving. You see that it's moving. So here you see some X and Y coordinates. They are really important for our sprite because this here is Y, vertical, and X is from this side to the screen to this side of the screen. So, and now you can drag your cat to a position you want, or you can say 0, 0. This is the center of our stage here. So it's relatively easy. You can say move 10 steps, and if you press now on the flag, you see that actually X is changing and the cat's position is changing, and you can say 0, 0. But if you don't want to change the whole time the coordinates, you can just say go to 0, 0 and then move 10 steps, and then it's still moving, but then nothing happens because it says go to 0, 0. So, but what we can do is when we press the space bar, then it should move 10 steps. And if we press, and if we click the flag, then it's going back. So go to motion back, and let's say turn 15 degrees. Press your space bar, and it's turning. That's a cool effect. And you can always do this, and it looks like it's totally funny. And you can say when space key pressed, it should do it 10 times. This is a loop, and this loop will do something forever, or just 10 times, or what you want. You can type here 50 times if you want. Go to the motion back, and you can click the flag, and it's doing this 50 times. So maybe you want that our cat is not in her natural position. So go to motion, and here's point in direction. And now it's normal. Press the space bar, and what it's doing is really funny. And now maybe you want it again in the center. You can just click on the flag, and this is happening. You can say like this too. It's turning in the other side. And now space bar, and it's there. It turned back. And let's say that you can really see it. Oops. Into the loop, you put this block, turn 15 degrees. Press the space bar, and it turned back. Let's say you want to do this when the sprite clicked. So it'll turn when the sprite clicked. Press the space bar, click the sprite, and it's turning. Isn't that so cool? You can say go to random position. So it'll go to a random position like this. I'll just click on it. It'll turn and go to a random position. Go to 0, 0, you know what this means. It means go to a specified position. Glide in 1 second. It's gliding. Let's say it glides to position. And this means it'll glide to specified position. Point in direction, you know what it means. And point towards. Let's put that in a forever loop, so it'll do it forever. And let's say this. And this block here, so it won't do that code. And we can delete this code here. And it'll turn to mouse pointer. So here by go to is also the block mouse pointer. You can put that in a forever loop, and then when the flag is clicked, click the flag and it'll go to your mouse pointer. So if I'm here, it'll go to my mouse pointer, but it's still in the stage. So let's delete a code here. If you want to change them without block, you can just go to direction and say 90 and say 0, 0. So here you can go to random position, mouse pointer, and here you can go to, if you have more than one sprite, you can go to a specified sprite. I'll add sprite now, like the apple. Then I can say here, go to sprite 1, because I'm on the apple. So I'll delete this. And change x by 10, set x, change y, and set y. So change x means to go this way. But you can change it by a negative number too. Then it goes to the left side of the screen. And it will move. Set x to means you're setting it, not changing it. Change y is up and down. And change y is you're setting it, not changing. If on add bounce, that means if the cat is here, if the cat is here, then it'll bounce. Set rotation style, but we don't ever need that, just when we are doing rotations. X position and the Y position, you see them here. And you have the direction. So that's a long number, but we can say X. We can say it's 90. And you can always delete that. So this is the motion category. And this was the first video of the long part of all the blocks. And after we know all the blocks, then we are making a project. So I really hope you liked this video. Like, leave a comment and share. And please subscribe to the channel. And yeah, thank you really much. See you in the next tutorial.